speech, Lacson. Okay? Hindi ako nagmi-misinform, Senator Lacson. Huwag kang gago. Or Ping Lacson. Okay. Eto, kayo po ang huhusga kung si former Senator Lacson po ay nagsisinungaling. Okay? Ito po ang magiging katanungan sa live na ito na inyong sasagutin pagkatapos ng kung mag-explain. Kayo po ang hahatol kung si Lacson ay sinungaling or nagsasabi ng totoo. Okay. Bakit na-involve si Senator Lacson? Kasi po, noong 2011, 15th Congress, si Senator Lacson po ay nagpasa po, okay, nag-file po ng resolution. Ang tawag sa resolution ay Concurrent Senate Resolution number 10. Okay, papakita ko sa inyo yung kopya ng resolution na yon. Okay. So, ito po siya. Okay. Ito po yung kopya. Okay. So, ayan yung, what do you call it? Control number. 15th Congress, second regular session. At ito po ang title. Okay. Concurrent Resolution number 10. Concurrent Resolution maintaining, ibig sabihin pinapanatili ang prevailing system, ibig sabihin ang umiiral na sistema ng accounting at liquidation ng bawat budgetary allocation ng bawat isang miyembro ng Senado at ng mababang kapulungan as classified. Okay. So, ako po'y nagsulat tungkol dito at sinabi ko po ito ay legalized corruption. Kaya ko nasabi po itong legalized corruption dahil ayon din sa concurrent Senate Resolution number 10 na ito na pinasa ng Senado noong 2011 at ng Kongreso noong 2012 ay liquidation by way of certification. Ang MOOE or ang Maintenance and Other Operating Expenses ng bawat senador at miyembro ng House of Representatives. So, kailangan lang ng liquidation by way of certification na pinirmahan ng bawat senador at bawat miyembro ng House of Representatives na ang pera na ginamit ng nila, okay, ay ginamit para sa Maintenance and Other Operating Expenses, MOOE. Okay? So, yan. Yan ang Senate Concurrent Senate Resolution number 10. Okay. Ngayon, siguro dahil sa inyong pag-iingay, narinig ni Lacson itong pinag-uusapan natin. So, siya po, si former Senator Lacson, ay nag-reply po today. Okay? Today, so October 20, 2023, ito ay kanyang website. Makikita niyo yan. Okay? So, sabi niya, on the so-called legalized corruption resolution. So, ibig sabihin po mga friends, ay umiiral po ang ating kampanya. So, patuloy po tayong mga ngalampag at lumalabas po ang kasinungalingan. Okay, ito sabi ni Lacson. Sabi niya, there is no such thing as legalized corruption in Congress via a concurrent resolution, much less one with my involvement as claimed by some sectors who are either misinformed or seeking to disinform or both. So, ang sabi po niya, misinform po daw tayo. So, ako naman nagpakalat nito no? So, ako daw ay misinform or seeking to disinform. Tingnan, kayo po ang huhusga kung sino po ang nagsisinungaling at nagdi-disinform. Si Lacson o ako? Kayo huhusga. Sabi niya, as a background, I was tasked to file the said resolution, concurrent resolution number 10, which actually sought more accountability. Nakita niyo yan? More accountability daw by justifying the liquidation of funds through the submission of receipts. So, liquidation of funds through the submission of receipts daw ang nakalagay sa resolution. Sabi niya, before this, lawmakers has been allowed to liquidate funds merely through certification since Congress opened in 1987. So sabi niya, bago daw yung concurrent resolution number 10, sabi nga, bago yung concurrent resolution number 10 na kanyang pinasa, liquidation through certification lang daw ang Congress. So dahil daw sa concurrent resolution number 10 niya, kailangan daw ang liquidation of funds ay may resibo. Sinabi ni Lacson yan. So may link siya sa concurrent resolution number 10. Tingnan natin kung saan ito pupunta, no? Okay. So, ayan, no? So, pumunta nga sa concurrent resolution number 10 yung link niya. So, anong sinasabi dito? Ulitin natin. Okay? Ang sinabi niya sa kanyang statement, binabago niya yung sistema. Paano binabago? Ang title ng resolution is Maintaining the Prevailing System of Accounting and Liquidation of the Respective Budgetary Allocation of each member of the Senate and the House of Representatives as classified. So ngayon, ang tanong natin, ang tanong natin ngayon, ang resolution, ang sabi, maintaining, sa Tagalog, pinapanatili. Okay? Pinapanatili. Prevailing, ibig sabihin, ang kasalukuyang, okay? Sistema ng accounting at liquidation ng bawat budgetary allocation ng isang miyembro ng Senado at Kongreso as classified. So, anong binago mo? I-maintain mo nga yung sistema, ang umiiral, prevailing system, umiiral na sistema. Tanga ba kami na hindi namin naiintindihan? Title pa lang ng resolution, maintaining, pinapanatili, prevailing, ang pangkasalukuyang sistema, umiiral na sistema. So, anong binago mo? Maintain mo nga Para masabi mong binago mo, Lacson, dapat ang word ay changing. Bakla ka ng taon. Maintaining is not the same as changing. Friends, humanap nga kayo ng dictionary na ang maintaining na word ay synonym ng changing. Meron ba? Sabi niya, ano yung sabi ng statement niya? Ang lakas pa ng loob na i-link yung resolution, no? Mali-mali. Justifying sought more accountability by justifying the liquidation of funds through the submission of receipts. Okay. Before this, lawmakers had been allowed to liquidate funds merely through certification. So bago daw ang kanyang concurrent resolution, liquidation through certification daw. So dahil daw sa resolution niya, liquidation through submission of receipts. Ikaw na, Lacson, ang nag-link ng resolution na to. Okay. So, wag po kaming gagaguhin. Okay? So, ito uli yung resolution. So, hahanapin natin. Okay? Okay, mag-aano tayo? Mag-control F search. Hanapin natin ang word na receipts. Okay? Ito po. Receipts na word. 0. Sa resolution mo, Lacson. Ang word na receipts, 0. Okay? Sabihin natin receipt lang. 0. Okay. 0. Wala kahit isang salitang receipt o resibo sa resolution mo, Lacson, ay wala. Titignan natin ngayon ang word na certification. Ayan, Diba? Certification. Ayan o. Whereas, in recognition of the delicate and unique nature of the functions, operational, and organizational structures of the Senate, the House of Representatives, the Commission on Appointments, and the Senate and House Electoral Tribunals, the Commission on Audit has consistently allowed the current system of liquidation by way of certification duly signed by each senator and member of the House of Representatives, that such amounts allocated to each member of Congress as part of their maintenance and other operating expenses were utilized or expended in the performance of their legislative functions. Okay, so anong naging hatol nila, no? Resolved as it is hereby resolved by the Senate, the House of Representatives concurring that the prevailing system of accounting and liquidation of the respective budgetary allocation of each member of the Senate and the House of Representatives as classified. So, ano yung sinasabi ni Senator Lacson na binago niya ang sistema because of concurrent resolution number 10? Hindi pa kami, Senator Lacson, do you really think na we are that stupid? Ha? Do you really think na bobo kami? Na hindi namin naiintindihan ang napakasimpleng English ng concurrent resolution number 10, maintaining the prevailing system of accounting and liquidation ng bawat isang senator at congressman as classified. At nakalagay na rin sa resolution na yan na ang current system ninyo, nung pinasayan, ay liquidation by certification. So, ang ibig sabihin, Senator Lacson, pinanatili mo yung sistema na sinasabi mong binago mo. Hindi ako magdi-decide. Ang taong bayan ang magdi-decide kung sino ang nagsisinungaling. Ako o ikaw? Okay. Pupuntahan ulit natin yung statement mo. Oh, sabi niya, current resolution number 10 adopted in 2011 takes into account members of Congress extending immediate response and assistance to constituents outside our legislative work such as medical assistance. Pero daw hindi raw ito inconsistent, okay, sa pag-audit ng COA. Okay, at nagmayabang pa raw siya, no? Thus, while the concurrent resolution allows certification by individual legislators to disburse funds allocated to their respective offices, it does not excuse anyone from liquidating through official receipts and other verifiable documents, much less from being audited by the Commission on Audit, as nobody in government is exempted from COA audit. Ikaw na nagsabi niya, walang exempted sa COA audit. Sabi pa niya, for the record, throughout my years in public service, I have always been consistent in complying with all the existing COA regulations, much more with the required submission of all liquidation instruments when I was in the Senate. Thus, when the COA first conducted a special audit of Congress, I was the first one who submitted the receipts and related documents. Well, Senator Lacson, unahin ko na yung nag-submit ka. Bakit pwede po bang isa-publiko ninyo ang individual COA audit ninyo? Pwede bang sabi mo naman may nag-i-exist na mga resibo ng MOOE mo, baka pwede mong i-public yung liquidation mo ng expenses. Pati yung kung sino yung mga binayaran sa opisina mo. Sino ba yung mga pinapasweldo sa opisina mo? Kasi wala po kami makita na publicly available na ganitong information. Hindi naman classified yan, di ba? Anong sabi niya? Sabi mo, Senator Lacson? Ha? Concurrent Resolution number 10, adopted in 2011, takes into account members of Congress extending immediate response and assistance to constituents outside our legislative work, such as medical assistance. Alam mo, Senator Lacson, ang kalaban mo dito ay dokumento, record ng Senado. Nung ikaw ay tumayo doon at nag-deliver ka ng sponsorship speech ng Concurrent Resolution number 10. At baka naman kasi nagka-amnesia na si Senator Lacson at nakalimutan niya ang kanyang sinabi during his sponsorship speech. Ito, download ko na rin to, no? Para kung mahak uli kayo, meron na akong record. Republic of the Philippines Senate, Pasay City, Journal, Session number 13, August 24, 2011. Okay. So, pupuntahan natin yung sponsorship speech ni Lacson. Okay. Sponsorship speech, Lacson. Oh, ayan o. Asan ba yung sponsor? Ayan. Senate Concurrent Resolution number 10. Okay, anong page to ng journal? Okay, so this is page 210. Okay, Wednesday, August 24, 2011. Okay, yan ang journal ng Senate. Record to mismo, official record to ng Senado. O, kaya nga may pirma pa yan. Oo. Di ba? May pirma pa yan. Okay. Sabi mo, takes into account medical assistance. O, sponsorship speech of Senator Lacson. Preliminarily, Senator Lacson stated that the Constitution has divided state authority etos. O, sabi mo, meron kayong fiscal autonomy. Okay. Ngayon, ayan, sabi mo, delicate ang nature at duties ninyo bilang legislator. At because delicate ang nature ng inyong duties as senator, ito